Hey everybody, I'm Siggy.
And I'm Louie.
And we're motorcycle gear experts here at Jafrum. One of the most commonly questioned topics in all of motorcycling is the helmet fitment. Today we're going to show you how to properly fit a full face helmet so that you can buy with confidence. Knowing your helmet is going to provide you with the greatest possible safety and comfort is a very important factor. For many helmet buyers, purchasing a helmet online can be stressful. At Jafrum, we want to provide you with all the information you will need to make sure that you get the best possible fit out of your new lid. While there are helmet manufacturers like Shoei who have done extensive consumer research to create the helmet that best fits its customers, it is important to remember that helmet fitment charts are not scientific formulas. They're just a set of guidelines that will work great for fitting most head shapes and sizes. This element of chance is what keeps some helmet buyers from feeling confident when purchasing a helmet online. If after following our helmet fitment advice, your helmet still does not fit properly, just send us your helmet back. We'll send you a proper size at no additional shipping cost. The first step in figuring out the best helmet for you is to identify your head shape. Different helmet manufacturers offer different shapes of helmets. Some manufacturers like Arai offer multiple shapes within the same brand. Once you identify your head shape, you can then use the manufacturer's websites to see if they offer you a helmet to suit your needs. There are numerous different names for head shapes depending on which fitment resources you are using. Some fitment resources list as many as 5 shapes, including egg shape and reverse egg shape. Oddly enough though, most helmet manufacturers don't use all these shapes. So we'll stick to the most commonly used 3. The 3 most commonly used head shapes are round, intermediate oval, and oval. These are Arai's shape names, but most helmets can be categorized using these 3 basic head shapes. These head shape terms are used to describe the shape of your head from a top view. You may need the help of a friend to establish your head shape, unless you're one of the talented few that can actually see the top of your own head. Louie here has an oval head shape. Once you've established your head shape, it is now time to measure your head. There are some manufacturers like Bell that have offered graduated measuring tapes with the helmet sizes marked next to the measurement so that you don't need a fitment chart. That particular measuring tape may only work for that specific brand though, so keep that in mind. If you don't have one of those, no big deal. Just make sure your measuring tape has both metric and standard measurements on it. Some fitment charts will use centimeters and some will use inches. To get the best measurement, wrap the tape around the largest part of your head. For most people, the largest circumference is just above the eyebrow and around the middle of the back of the head. This is not the case for everyone though. On Louie's head, for example, you measure higher up on his forehead, or 5 head as it is often called in his case. Using the sizing chart on the manufacturer's website of the helmet you are interested in. If you are in between sizes, always pick the smaller size. Helmets will break in about 1/3 of a size, and you want to make sure the helmet still offers a secure fit, even after it's broken in. Once you have selected a size, go to Jafrum.com and get a fantastic deal on that favorite helmet of yours.
There are numerous ways to check to make sure your helmet fits properly once it's arrived. The first one is obvious. Make sure the helmet isn't too easy to put on. The helmet is obviously the smallest at the opening, as this is the part of the helmet that needs to fit snugly on the most narrow portion of your head, down near the jawline. The helmet should be difficult to pull over the crown of your head. Once the helmet is on, stabilize the helmet with both hands and move your head from side to side. If you're able to get near the outside edge of your eye with the cheek pad, the helmet is too large. If the problem is just the cheek pads, many helmet manufacturers offer cheek pads in different sizes. Although a helmet that is too large may feel very comfortable, it is not providing nearly as much protection as a helmet that fits properly. Also, wind noise, turbulence, and buffeting are dramatically increased with an ill-fitting helmet. Increased turbulence and buffeting can reduce vision quality, which is bad news for everybody, riding or not. Another way to check the fitment of your new helmet is with the finger test. Try to wedge your fingers between the headliner and your forehead. If you can fit more than the first knuckle, the helmet is too large. You want to wear the smallest size helmet that you can that is still comfortable. Next, secure the helmet using the strap and D-rings. Use the chin bar to try to pull the helmet down toward your chest. If you can roll the helmet forward and the headliner reaches your eyes, it's again too big. Next, Roll the helmet in the opposite direction. If the chin strap slips over your chin, you guessed it, too large. Now, it is possible for a helmet to be too small as well. The best way to test this is to wear it around for about 20 minutes. The helmet should feel snug, but not painful. If a helmet is too small, you may develop what are called hot spots. This is from one small spot on your head contacting one small spot on the helmet that doesn't work with your head shape. You may also experience a headache from lack of circulation. A lack of circulation can result in blurred vision, so don't wait. Exchange for the proper size right away. Once again, if you need to exchange a helmet for fitment reasons, no worries. Simply send us the helmet back and we'll ship you the same helmet in the proper size with no additional shipping charges. Thank you for watching our video on helmet fitment. We hope you found it entertaining and informational. There's a lot of information on helmet fitment and even more opinion, and we want to hear all of it. If you feel like we missed something or just want to tell us how much you love all of our videos, feel free to leave your comments. Like our Facebook too while you're at it. Thanks again for joining us.
And remember, you do the riding, but let us go the extra mile.
And at Jafrum, we're trained professionals, so don't try this at home. Try it on your bike.
I'm Siggy.
And I'm Louie.
And we'll
see you next time.